welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to be showing you our 6 eggs. They have laid 6 eggs. We don't know if they're fertile or not because we didn't want you to check them, but she started hatching and it's her first day because she's been sitting in there all the time and she stopped laying eggs. So of course she's hatching them now, and this is day 1 of hatching. And we're going to see you guys tomorrow, so bye! So this is day 2 now, and there's still 6 eggs, of course, and she came out to have a little drink and eat and stuff, and she was in there and she came out because we started filming. I think that's why, but then she started drinking and eating. So we'll leave it on her own, and we'll see you guys in day 3. This is day 3. So I'm gonna quickly add some food in both of them. There's 2 in there. This is day 4, and it's just pretty normal, like day 3, and the other day she's sitting in them and everything's good, and we'll see you guys in day 5. Yeah, so now I'm going to show you the eggs. Which I'm not going to touch them, but they're really tiny and cute, and they're I don't know if you could see that well. There's 6 eggs. Really shiny. And now I'm going to change the water. I'll be back in a moment. Now I have the clean water, crystal clear, the right temperature, and we'll put that back in. And if you see that, I'll show you something real quick. The other one is literally all chewed up now. Right there. And yeah, that's it. And we have a big news today. The Finch hatched 2 babies. So there was 5 eggs. 3 have not been hatched, but 2 of them are, and they're so tiny. They hatched yesterday, but we didn't see that. Like, we couldn't film that, so we're gonna show you that now. So I don't know if you guys could see that, but the skinny stuff under her, she's trying to cover it more. Like there, you see the skinny stuff? That's the baby. Oh, there they are. Guys, welcome back. It's the bird's 8th day. As you can see, the one on the back, I don't know if you guys could see that well, but he is a bit bigger and he's moving a lot more than the other. I bet he was born before But yeah, he also got, well, not like actually feathers, but they're getting feathers, and his wings, he's moving around that much, and we're starting to see his wings. The mom has been sitting there like a lot, like all the time, and they're really healthy kids. And today, it's the birdie's first tour downstairs. We're downstairs, we're by the kitchen kinda, and actually they're really active. I got them out this morning, and they were jumping all around on my lap kinda, and I fed them some water, so now they're gonna be looking around, well, the downstairs area. So, nicely grab them. Here, I got this one. It's like this. Oh, by the way, I started teaching them sitting on my finger. I mean, I didn't really force them, but I just did this and they jumped on, and then they tried to balance, they fell down back on my hand. But now it's time for the tour. They're really active, and I want to show you this. Whenever I in my lap, they just crawl around and get squished in there. Not on my feet. Yeah, that's really cute. They find themselves little areas that they can play in, and then rest. It's really cute. And then they close their eyes slowly. Yeah, it's really cute, but I don't want them to poop on me, and also I don't want to hold them too much because they are still little babies, and I don't want to hold them too much because who knows, the mom might abandon them. Doesn't make much sense, but I don't want to hold them too much. I'm gonna take them upstairs. So bye, see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and like and comment down below